We had a cabinet meeting today, and three agendas were taken up in the meeting. The first agenda was the amendment of the Meghalaya FRS and SRS 1984 and the Meghalaya Delegation of Financial Powers Rule 2006. So the proposal was to facilitate the Director of Dairy Development in discharging his/her duties and exercising the powers and functions as a head of department under the Meghalaya FRS and SRS 1984 and the Meghalaya Delegation of Financial Powers Rules 2006. As you're aware, the Directorate of Dairy Development was started recently, and therefore different aspects of what comes into a directorate, for example, the delegation of financial powers and the service rule, all these aspects had to be incorporated. So therefore today, to facilitate the functioning of the Directorate of Dairy Development, these amendments or these powers, delegation of powers was given through a cabinet decision today, which was held in the cabinet. The second decision today in the cabinet was to increase the corpus of the Meghalaya Contingency Fund from 305 crores to amount of 505 crores, which is an increase from 305 to 500, which is 200 crores increase. And this is being done because of the fact that there are a large number of projects for the contingency which have been done under Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Act 2017, and therefore since the amount has been already utilized because of different expenditures, so therefore the amount has to be amended and increased. So we've increased it from 305 to 505 crores. Another decision that was taken today was regarding the Independence Day celebration, and different locations have been given to different ministers and VIPs to take the salute and hoist the national flag on the Independence Day. So the list of ministers and VIPs who will be going to different locations had been decided today. So it will be too long for me to read out all the locations, but maybe later on the press team from the same secretariat can share the names of the locations and the VIPs who will be hoisting the flag on the 15th of August 2021. So those were the three main decisions that were taken, and if there's any further question that you have, then I'm happy to answer.